What's up? Y'all just got done with Saturday Morning Live Season 3, Episode 9. If you did not catch it, that is sad because you do not know what's coming. Even though the title of this video is, and this video will be out after the actual thing, but this is the true to form. Last time we did Padlock Dominoes, which I'm setting up for. We did a setting up for video, and actually Wes was here last time, but he's tied up today, so I'm setting up by myself, which I was setting up by myself for the last one and he just showed up. But yes, yeah, I'm just gonna do a setup video to show you the behind the scenes. So I don't know if this video will ever be released or not, but we're setting up for Padlock Dominoes, and I haven't even gone to look to see what number this one is. Well, okay. Test one. We've got a little bit of a problem starting these. Looks like we need to reset and need a little bit more weight and speed right there to start that chain, I guess. So here we go, part two. Okay, round three. No, round two, sorry. Okay, we can obviously see the problem with these not wanting to fall. Those definitely, the little short shackle ones, the 700s, are definitely causing a problem. I may need to mix in some of the bigger ones. So we'll try that. On to three. All right, I made one little tweak by switching a bigger shackle down there. So let's see if that gets it. Oh, that would have been a successful one, and I would have been done after the third one, except for this is the problem child. This has always been the problem child. So we were so close. On to four. Okay, now here we go. Yeah! That means I can go home. Thanks for watching, y'all. So I know some of you might have questions, and I'm here to answer them. It's Monday morning, back in the shop. When I got done with all that Saturday, I just loaded them all up, moved them to the back. Obviously, I don't want a crap load of American padlocks just sitting out on the table. So now comes the fun part. As many of you who have watched that video, and you're also thinking, I can't believe I watched all this just for you to redirect me to the video. Well, you know, that's just how YouTube works. That's just something you got to deal with. So I'm sure most of you who are watching this anyway would have already seen the video, so it doesn't matter. Now I've got to put everything back. So when I do this, let me just back up a little bit. So there's always people that's, you know, you have too much time on your hands. It's called providing content, people. It's providing content. Number 2, scratched padlocks. They don't scratch. Like I talked about in Saturday Morning Live, there's not a single scratch on them. I'm going to show you once I pull them up here, but I do have to go back to the back to get them. Number 3, putting the keys back with the padlocks because they're all keyed different. Yes, but again, it's not my first rodeo because this was 5.0, which means I've done it 5 times. There's 4 versions before this that exist on the internet, but you'll never see the first beta attempts because I don't know where I have those videos. But anyway, trust me, 5th time, know what I'm doing. If it scratched the padlocks, I wouldn't have kept doing it. If I wasn't trying to provide quality, never before seen content here on YouTube, I wouldn't take the time to do it. But I did it for you guys. So the first couple of times I did this, I did exactly what you would do, not thinking. Of course, there was in version 3 and 2 and 4, there was different numbers of padlocks, and it was much easier. Now we've got more padlocks, so this time we have them separated. We have them separated by 5201s. We have big boys. We have, I don't know what that is. 1206 and 7, that's the longer shackles that are aluminum. We got blue 1205s, red 5261 and 60. So basically what I have done is separate the keys. So now all I have to do is group the padlocks, and the bulk of them are actually already going out. They just have to be lubricated. A bunch of the bigger ones already have homes, and we'll just pull one example here. One example. Let's take a look at it for those who think it's scratched. Those who think it's scratched beyond factory scratches. And yes, these do come in with factory scratches. You see that? That's a factory ding right there, because these all fell over. That's not a ding where it would be. You can find these if you look close on every one of them. There are some little ball marks in different areas, but as I had mentioned in live, these in particular are going to be immediately thrown onto the ground with chains. So their lifespan is going to be very, very short indeed. Again, those are not dings from them hitting each other like that. And we'll also take out some of the 1205s to show you. So I wouldn't keep them together like this if it actually dinged the padlocks, or scratched them for that matter. Like that. Beautiful American padlocks. No scratches or dings or anything like that in them. If any of them were to dent or ding, it would be these Americans. Aluminum body. They're tougher than that, y'all. So anyway, I'm going to put them all together now and get them back on the shelf. So on a few of these are recent arrivals, so I'm going to have to put wafers in them, but some weren't. So I just really have to sort through what's what to figure that out, which really isn't that big of a deal. No, and they were out of 5201s. I tried ordering 6 of these too, but that would have made it even cooler, but unfortunately, the place that I ordered them from that time did not have the 5201, which is the 2-inch shackle. Is that 1101? The box I have still has 100th anniversary, but that's not a 100th anniversary marked one, unfortunately. And there was only 2 of the 700s here. So I think I've been going through the 701s through several customers quite a bit. If everything would have been timed better, we would have had even more for the Padlock Dominoes. But let's see, what is that? Let's see, 5200. So we got 4 5200s. I try to keep at least 4 of everything. So right now we're missing like 1 of each of those, a couple of each of those, except for the 1100s. The 1100s are really more of a, just, you know, we don't sell them a lot because they have that small diameter shackle. Anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the keys in the appropriate ones here and put security wafers in pretty much all these. So back to time lapse.